Yo there guys, please hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Today I am still building the Ford FD-100 pickup. I'm going to start with the engine like I say, and this part here is the engine. All this is the engine. You got the tyres and everything like that. The stuff what I'm going to be using will be a black pearl marker, paint pens, and I got silver and gold, masking tape, this kind of glue, and probably this one. I might be using that, I don't know yet. I might use earbuds and toothpicks, I don't know yet. But I am also using these to cut the plastic. I've got two types of them. The ones I found a lot more easier are these ones here. But it's not because of the make, it's Tammy. But it's not because of the make, it's just because it's a lot more better quality cut. What I normally do is, I normally get the straight part and cut right close to the model, the part of the model I want to cut out. Like this bit here is the engine. So I want to cut that out, and here as well. You can do that, and it will leave you with a little. It will leave you with a little piece where you have to cut when it's off and everything like that, and it's a little bit more easier to cut. But what other people can do sometimes is what I've seen on YouTube is cut off like here, so you're cutting off all that bit, that bit there, and then again here you cut off there, so it gives you a little bit more better, so you can see a little bit better and everything like that. You can cut off what you don't need, but it still does the same thing even if you do that. Whatever you prefer, everybody's got their own little way of doing it, and my way of doing it is doing the first way of I showed you, and that is getting the part you want to cut out, cutting it so close to the part you want out, and then cut it, and it's a little bit more, I find it easier to do. A lot of people have their own little ways of doing it. What I do is I get one of the, because whatever happens I'm going to sand it down with sanding foam. So you get to the point where you need to sand it down, where you've cut it and everything. But then anyway, it's got, I'm gonna put some silver one and everything like that, and I'm gonna do it on a plastic. To do it, I am using this per marker. It's only a cheap one and everything like that. And then for the silver, I'm gonna be using this. So this is how it's turned out. Nice. It's I know it's a bit shiny. It's the wrong time. So I've cut off all the engine parts now that I can see here. That one's done, and then what I'm going to do is do all these parts here and then put them all together a bit further on in the build video use. This is for the top of the engine, the filter side of it all. So I've glued the actual engine together now. Yes, I used masking tape here, but that is just to make it stick together better because I noticed there was a little bit of a gap there, so I was just made it a bit more stick together more better and everything like that. That's the only reason why I've done it. And then I'm going to be putting the actual engine now together. I've got separate parts and everything like that. I've got parts here what I've done like on the internet, and I'm going to try and follow it. The colours are going to be different or near enough the same. Like where the black is going to be black, and the silver is going to be where it's silver. But I'm going to hopefully use different colour cables and stuff like that, and hopefully try get it as similar as this. This is like I say, the engine side of it all. So I hope you enjoy it. So Guys, I've just done the first part of the engine and then realised I need to put decals on this part of the engine and here and everywhere. So what I've done is put my decals in. I'm going to be putting these two parts on right now. So what I have to do is I have to put some decals on these parts here and some on this part here. So I'm going to be doing that right now and then it's done. So what I'm going to do with this, okay, is I'm going to put on the decals and it'll make it stay on a little bit more longer. It's like super glue side of it all, and but this seems like it works better doing that. So I'm going to do that with the engine and everything like that, and hopefully it will keep the decals on even longer and everything like that to make it a little bit more easier for me. It's all the decals are on, it's all shiny, it's nearly done. The only thing I need to do is now put some wires and so-called cables in it. I've even done the bottom. This cable here, I'm going to go for, but black. And I'm going to try to do that spring there too. But this is all going to be done, and hopefully it'll look all better than what it is now. So this is, like I was saying, mine. So it's nearly done already. It's just I just need a bit more work on it, and I think that will be coming probably very soon. I don't know yet. I'm gonna try and do it off camera, the cable side of it all. If I can't, I won't be doing it. But this is the engine now. It's done, and that's the after part of the engine. So please, guys, hit that as a like button, subscribe, and comment. Give me some tips on what to do, and see you later.